Let me show you how to slow or fast any video. Drag and drop the video to the timeline. Use plus and minus in your keyboard to zoom in and out. Now press R in your keyboard. Extend the video to slow it down.
Every month, I found a girl,
and push it back to speed it up. Now if you want it back in the normal state, here is how you can do it. Right-click on your mouse and scroll down. There you will find a speed duration option. Now type 100 to bring it back to normal state.
And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling.
You can also slow and speed the video using speed duration. Increase the number to slow and decrease to fasten the video, and 100 to bring it back to normal. And that is how you slow and speed any video in Premiere Pro. For more beginners video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.
And I thank God every day for the girl.